TV has been mounted, and we need to hide the cable. The problem is RCA cable doesn't reach to the TV, so we need an extension. So we'll work on it. We need an extension for yellow cable. We can use this cable because we only need half for this red and white cable. So we just need half. So we can cut this and then use the cable or the exit cable to this yellow. Alright, because we're gonna be connecting this DVD to this amplifier. Let's go. Ate, minaw ka ate? Roommate. Yellow cable now reaches to the TV. Here's the disconnected one and the DVD. So if I switch this to RCA, it should display the DVD. There. I forgot to plug it in here. Yeah, I plug it in here once. This one, so if I plug it in here, there. All right, let's go. Next problem is the speaker. So next job is this cable that goes to the speaker. So it's not long enough, so we need to use an extension cable. And then there's two speakers. So what I'm going to do is connect these two, and then I'm gonna buy another one for this left or right. Let's go back.